John Dalton, born 1803, father of modern atomic theory, prepared the first table of atomic weights. Matter is made up of atoms that are indivisible and indestructible. Atoms are atoms of different elements combined in simple whole numbers to form compounds. Atoms cannot be created or destroyed. When a compound decomposes, the atoms are recovered and unchanged.
J. Thomson, 1937, discovered the electron in a series of experiments designed to study the nature of electric discharge in a high vacuum cathode ray tube. Interpreted his deflection of the rays by electrically charged plates and magnets as evidence of bodies that have much smaller than atoms. His efforts to estimate the number of electrons in an atom from measurements of the scattering of light, X, beta, and gamma rays initiated the research trajectory along with his student Ernest Rutherford.
Ernest Rutherford, 1911 Goldfoil experiment. Large proportions of alpha particles pass straight through the foil. Most of the volume of the atom is empty space. Most of the mass of the atom is in the nucleus, and the rest is mostly empty space. He placed a zinc sulfide screen behind the foil as backdrop for the alpha to appear upon. The experiment was to perform in complete darkness. Biggest discovery was when in 2000 particles will deflect approximately 90 degrees or more from the nucleus.
Niels Bohr, nuclear model, 1913. Electrons travel only in certain successively larger orbits. Applies quantum theory to Rutherford's atomic structure, which is the gold foil discovering the nucleus, by assuming that electrons travel in stationary orbits defined by their angular momentum. Led to calculation of possible energy levels for those orbits and postulation that the emission of the light occurs when an electron moves into a lower energy orbit, which causes fireworks. Electrons move in a circular orbit around a central nucleus. Atomic electrons are restricted to certain orbits, stationary states. An atom may create a photon of frequency in the photoemission process.
The answer is Thomson. He discovered the electrons.